I had something following it and it swirled, but it did not connect. I stopped it and maybe he was just didn't like it.
Well, my chores are finally done. Am I taking a break? You better believe her. I'm gonna sit right here and watch JC's Outdoor Fever.
Get ready. It's gonna be an explosion. He's still there. No? What is up with that? Oh my. He's off. He was taking drag, and I thought I had him hooked pretty good, but bummer. That fell pretty healthy too. Yep, this hole still got it.
So you caught one, you got off.
Yeah, looks like there's some teeth and some antlers there. Little spike. Say hi.
For this area.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. He wasn't going anywhere. I'm gonna throw it back up there.
Top water is the way to go today.
Yeah, switch over. Can't believe I had... Oh, finally! He hit that thing 2 or 3 times. Say, Martha, this is pretty good. My old meat manager used to say it all the time when he's catch a big fish. Say, Martha, this is pretty good.
A little bit bigger than the last one, I think.
Yeah, he's
Scratching around like a little sand.
yeah. He is.
Spirit.
He is. He's all right. You done yet? Are you done yet? I don't like messing with... Sound like a side-by-side.
Beautiful. Got the stripes and...
Yep. I think it's time for you to switch over to top lure.
Yeah.
Wow. Which hook to get out first? There we go. Sometimes you got to get out the right hook out.
Why mess with what works?
Yep. It's I lost a nice one. 2 other hits. Might have been from that same fish. I don't know, but let's see if there's another one up there. The funny thing is, I don't think there's much of a spot there. I don't understand why they're congregating there. That's fine with me. Uh-oh. I made it through without getting... Uh-oh. I was gonna say I made it through without getting a hit. And then, as I said that, it wasn't a splash, but it was a swirl at it. All right, he got tired of my lure, I think. So you're gonna have to whip it on out there, Mike.
Alright. Got that little torpedo on.
All right, I'm taping, so pressure's on.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful cast. Yes!
He got off
What?
and hooking.
Okay, well, he's still there then. That was a healthy one too. All right, nothing's messed up. It looks like it's, yeah. There you go.
Off the hook.
There you go. Yes. Start moving that bad boy. He's there. Whether he got sick of it or not. I know he's sick of my lure. Well, I'd say we just walk up just a little bit more and see if we can get a little bit further up there. Just a few feet here, just to wing it up there. I'm not gonna move. I'm amazed that this water is only knee deep. Literally knee deep right here, and that's 3-4 fish in this one little area.
You unhooked my clip.
Oh, that could have been scary. Straighten that out. Or there's a little smallmouth right there. Just he's sitting there. You come down and around, and I know the camera's not gonna pick it up, but he's sitting right there. And I know that was not the one that bit at yours. Yours had a little weight to it. All right. Is yours going under? There's a fish. I see him come up. All right. You look like you got a big swivel on there.
Yeah.
Well, that'll affect your the buoyancy. So it's still gonna work, but
It's moving, they can't tell.
yep. There's a little one there. The big one isn't bit. He didn't bite yet. There you go. Well, he is not coming back for yours. So I'm gonna whip mine up there and yeah, he doesn't want any part of mine. He's taking drag. yeah. Yeah, I'm afraid he finally come back at my lure. Whoa! He was gonna go between my legs. Quick release program. Well,
He's right behind you, he's trying to attack you.
he just hit my leg. Where'd he go?
I don't know, but yeah, he like swam right through your feet, to your back.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
could watch him go right around.
yeah. He hit my my right boot. Crazy fish.
Wasn't happy.
No. Yeah, I say it was plenty deep enough. Where's the fish? I didn't get that part out. You said you got something, so I'm like, okay. Alright. You'll have to show it to me before you release it. I can't see it. I know you're not ashamed of it, are you? It's a decent size, right? I'm trying for his friend. Oh, yeah. It is a nice little fighter. Biggest one of the day for you.
It's the only one that I actually brought in.
Well, the little one was close enough. You were gonna let that one go. Well, yeah. If technically you had to have fishy hands when you went home, now you have arrived. You've gotten that accomplished. And looks like he might have been sitting right at the beginning of those weeds. A little bit of sand here, and then goes right into this weed bed.
There we go.
Nice.
Hey, you're a nice little fish.
Good job.
You get a lot of bubbles.
I think he missed it. He missed it. It messed my lure up. Oh my gosh.
A nice blow up.
Yeah, I like that.
Go ahead and go back in there. I'll go down there further towards that opening.
Okay. Come on. Go for it. Just hightail it back up or something, but throw over there. I don't want to keep throwing mine. I want something new over there for him to. He hammered it, but yes, that's not the one.
Yeah, he's little.
That's yeah. While you're playing with that little one, I'm gonna go back over and see if I can get that other one to bite again. A log cabin out here.
Got scaffolding on the side of it or something.
Look at that. Well, who knows how many acres they have here. This could have been built. Nobody knows it's back here. It's gorgeous. There you go. I'll take it. I'll move right in.
This was a hole.
How come you're not catching anything? Maybe you are? Oh my! He's still on. He just went, he probably went downstream on you and you thought you lost him. I've had that happen. Oh, I don't like that lightning. No. We're gonna hightail it to the other side and woo!
Littler than the last one.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
No, I mean, it's a fish.
Yep, it's a fish. Hopefully they get bigger, but yes. Way to end the night. I love that.
A largemouth, isn't it?
Sure looks like it. That's why he was shaking like that. It sure looks like it from here. You got a stripe down?
Yeah, that's
Yep, that's a largemouth. He's just sitting in that little eddy where there's no current. Sure is. That's how he does that telltale little shake there. It's like, he's not darting around like a smallie. But being in a river, he's got to have a little more muscle than normal. Good job. It's first largie. Thanks for watching JC Outdoor Fever. Until next time, fish on.
Come on, guys, hit that subscribe button. Come on, do it. Do do it.
Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.